Hey friends and family, welcome back to another video. Today I'm making some pepper steak for my family and I decided to share the recipe with you, so thank you for stopping by. The first thing I'm going to do is mince my ginger. I already have them sliced. I'm also going to cut up my peppers and my onions. I also have 2 packs of beef. One is already in strips and the other one is thin cut. So I'm going to try and get them all in the same size so that they can cook evenly. After cutting these, I'm going to rinse them with some lemon and then we're going to start our seasoning process. So I'm just going to sprinkle on about 1 tablespoon of olive oil and then I am going to add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Next, I am going to add about a teaspoon of minced ginger and then I'm going to add a teaspoon of cornstarch and about 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. Now I'm just going to add 1.5 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. After which I am going to use my hands to combine everything, and the olive oil that I used in the beginning is going to help the seasoning to stick to the meat. And if you want, you can go ahead and marinate this for a couple hours, but I'm going to be cooking mine right away. So I already have my pan heated. I'm just adding about 3 tablespoons of oil and then I am going to make sure that my beef is seared properly on both sides. And these are thin cuts, so they don't take a very long time to cook. Just have to make sure that they're cooked evenly on both sides, and then we're going to remove them from the pot. Now that our steak is finished, we are going to saute our veggies. I'm starting off with my onions because I don't like my onions crunchy. I like them translucent. I'm also adding a piece of scotch bonnet pepper to add a little flavor in there, and I'm also sauteing my garlic along with my onions. So I have my garlic, my ginger, and my onions sauteing now, and then I'm going to add my peppers. I'm adding my peppers last because I don't want my peppers to be soft and saggy. I want them to still cook but have a little crunch to them, and that is why I add them last. So I have my stove on medium to high heat and I'm gonna stir these for about 2 minutes and then I'm going to add my steak. Before adding my steak in here, I'm going to make my slurry. And for my slurry, I have 1/4 cup of water. I'm adding about a tablespoon of soy sauce and I'm going to add a teaspoon of cornstarch. The amount of slurry that you're making all depending on the amount of gravy that you're looking for. So this is enough for my amount of steak that I have. I'm going to add my steak in the pot and then I'm going to add my slurry. Now we're just going to go in and add our steak and we're just going to stir this for a couple minutes just so that it can absorb the flavors from the pepper, the garlic, the ginger. We're just going to stir it up for a couple minutes and then we're going to go in and add our slurry. And after adding the slurry, you can allow that to cook down for another 2 minutes and then your pot is ready. So there you have it, guys. A quick, simple dinner for your family. You come from work and you don't want to make something too hectic. this is just perfect for you, and it's delicious to the family. I also have some potatoes roasting in the oven with some garlic butter and some herbs. Really, really delicious. And I also have some rice as well. So this is a simple dish that you're gonna love. So let me know in the comment section if you try it, if you love it, and let me know if you want me to do a video of my roasted potatoes as well. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you for clicking. Don't forget to leave a like if you like the video, and also let me know if you try this recipe. Stay safe, show some love to your friends and your neighbors, and I'll see you guys in my next one.